Hi, and happy DNA Day. It's Arnie here at 3D Molecular Designs. And I wanted to go through a little bit of a modeling insight video today. So Tim and I were setting up at WSST, and we had actually laid out our dynamic DNA, and we're actually branching it so we could have a replication fork. And when we laid it down, we actually noticed something that we had never noticed before, which was exciting for us. So if we actually start taking a look at this, we can actually see, well, the side that I'm looking at right now, like I don't have any methyl groups inside of it. So I can tell right away that this side is going to be the minor groove. And if I flip it over, I start to see all these methyl groups. These are all T's coming down on this side. So I can see the location of all of those. And the reason why we were interested in this is we've been spending a lot of time lately looking at epigenetics. And if we start going through epigenetics, we realize that every time we have a CPG island, that we actually are going to have a spot where we're going to be methylating the 5 carbon of that C. So I've got a CPG right here. So this guy would get methylated. And if I keep working my way down, well, if that's a CPG going this way, then I've got another CPG coming back this way. And envision that my little blue hats now are actually gray methyl groups. And once again, you can see all those methyl groups all line up on that same side. So once we've identified that, if I actually start to go through my twisting process, and once again, we can see that major and minor groove happening right here. I have that major groove here, and I've got the minor groove here on the other side. And when we start looking at how proteins interact, they all sink into this major groove. So I've got this little zinc finger here, and we can actually see how that fits inside of this. And you can start to see simply, even in its linear format, which side is major and which side is minor, which might be something your students would be interested in seeing. So happy DNA Day once again, and as always, happy modeling.